My name is Monika and I'm with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to do a whole chicken on the barbecue. Well, you will do it. I can only show it in the oven for you, but this is an amazing little recipe that is done in about half an hour and then you put it on the barbie. So let's just do this. We have one whole chicken. I got about 2.5–3 pounds. It really needs to be washed well. So what I'd like to do when I get my whole chicken, put a lot of salt on it, rub it in, get all the impurities off. I do this about twice. So now that we washed it really well and just pat it dry a bit, and we're going to put it on this wooden board because I'm going to cut it in half. If your board is running around like this, just take a little rag, a wet rag, and there you go. Your board will stay and you will be safe. So we're taking this chicken now, and we're taking the back, and you already made an incision for me here. So we cut this in half. I like to leave the backbone on it. Just push this down a bit. In the meantime now, we're going to make our marinade. Here, freshly squeezed lemon juice, fish sauce, and I have soy sauce. In this case, it's tamari sauce. Sriracha, you know? Sriracha. I'll mix this up. Just gonna massage this a bit into it. And then we're going to put this in the fridge for about half an hour. The longer you do, the better it will be, but a half an hour is really all it needs. I'm going to put this in the biggest plastic bag I've ever seen. We butterflied our chicken. We're going to put it on our roasting pan and we're going to put it in there in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. I have also had some carrots in the house and some potatoes. So I just threw these on as well. So we're going to put this in the oven. If you're doing it in the oven, you start off at 400, 450, and then after about 10 minutes, reducing it to about 350. And it'll be about 35–40 minutes, as I said. If you have a barbecue, and preferably you have two sides to the barbecue, and you can turn one on and not the other, you turn on one side on high heat, and when you're ready with your chicken, you put it on the other side, on the cold side. You put the lid down and you don't touch it for 35 minutes. You will get an amazing chicken. Completely brown, you don't have to do anything, no turning it over, nothing. Just go and eat it afterwards. Anyway, it'll be coming out soon. It's been about 35 minutes. Look at this beautiful, beautiful chicken. Now you don't have to eat the skin, but what's underneath is absolutely fabulous. Roast chicken in no time. This is absolutely delicious. Look at the beautiful sauce that you have here as well. It's all natural. I'll probably eat it all today. If you get a kick out of my videos, please subscribe, follow, click, do anything, or cook. Anyway, enjoy. Soy chicken for you.